मैं तेरा रा रा तू मेरी री होने लगी। जानू मैं न जाने तू हुआ ये जादू कैसे, जो मेरा था वो खो गया, जो तेरा मिल गया हो जैसे। इस दिल ने जब जाना के बस तू मेरी री मैं तेरा रा होने लगा। मैं तेरा रा रा तू मेरी री होने लगी।
కాటమరాయుడా కదిరి నరసింహుడా, కాటమరాయుడా కదిరి నరసింహుడా, కాటమరాయుడా కదిరి నరసింహుడా, మేటైనా ఏటగాడ నిన్నే నమ్మితిరా, మేటైనా ఏటగాడ నిన్నే నమ్మితిరా, బేట్రాయి స్వామి దేవుడా నన్నేలినోడ బేట్రాయి స్వామి దేవుడా, చేప కడుపు సీరి పుట్టించి రాకాసుగాన్ని కోపాల తీసి కొట్టించి, బేట్రాయి స్వామి దేవుడా నన్నేలినోడ బేట్రాయి స్వామి దేవుడా.
Slowly come alive. Doom again, we gotta break the rules and party all the time. Doom again, we gotta steal the show. You know that ain't no crime. So steal all that you can, the magic you began. Let's shout, break out, come on once again. Let's hear it. Machale, machale, once more. Come on, you mean more. Machale, 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 once again. Machale, 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 come on, once again. Machale, 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 once again. Machale, machale, machale.
That was an electric performance. Good. So how
Mr.
did you feel
Ajay?
performing?
How is it,
It was
guys?
nice performing.
Once more time performance, Shraddha.
I guess you are
Shraddha?
tired. Huh? You need some time to talk. Okay. That was an
Last
amazing
one,
performance. Well done.
లాస్ట్ లో నా ఇప్పుడు వద్దా దింపేద్దాం, అలసిపోయినాడు కదా కదా. థ్యాంక్ యూ అనూప్, అలసిపోయావా చాలా?
So, guys, we have Sunil Sinalam and Srikanth Kangovi here as the chief guests, who will be giving away prizes to the winners of Rangoli event. Can we have them on stage, please? Guys, huge round of applause for them, please. Teju, get the book.
గ్రీన్ సార్. గ్రీన్. Someone from their team at least, please come on the stage to take the award on behalf of them. We request you, if the one who are not there for taking the award, anyone of you from their team, kindly please come on stage to take the award. Otherwise it would be no one would be taking this and they would be taking them later. But if kindly it would be a note, if someone will come down on stage to take on their behalf. Thank you.
So we'll be giving away the prizes for the first event of Utsav, which was Rangoli. So could you please call the winners, please?
And the winners are Divya Rohini Puturi, Bhavya Tali, Sumalata Madaka, Soumya Makina, Shakti Velan, Aligiri Swami. I call upon the names again. Divya Rohini Puturi.
Archana, I guess these people are from DLF and I think they are taking some time reaching here. So let's call the other winners who are from B4 and B7. Do we have Steffi Steffi Devarpalli, Reshma C, Ravi Teja, Vamshi Krishna.
Anyone? Guys, anyone from their team as well? Who are from the same process? Okay, Arjun, not wasting the time again. We would be moving on to the next award. It is Best Selfie. Best Selfie by Vamshi Krishna J. Vamshi Krishna J. Guys, Vamshi Krishna J. Okay, the next person is Mohammad Nurul Amin John. Mohammad Nurul Amin John. Please, we need you on stage, Mohammad Nurul Amin John. Okay. Think that these guys are also not there here. Okay, moving on to the next award. It is MasterChef. For award?
Divya.
We do have best selfie. Here we go on.
So we have the winner of best selfie, Amin John. Amin John, come on please.
Congratulations, John.
Congratulations.
And we would like to call the last
As he is the winner of the best selfie contest, let's have a selfie together.
Yeah. Mohammed, please take a selfie of all of us. Guys, cheer him up. He's taking a selfie again and proving once again that he is the best
the
selfie
way you
viewer.
have taken on the selfie contest.
Come on, Mohammed, fast.
It should be like that only. I mean,
Ooh, you are taking only for the judges.
Oh.
Huh?
Just for the chief guest,
only
is
with
it?
wedges.
Lovely.
How about our guests? Yeah.
Guys, cheer him up. He's taking only of judges. He forgot us. Thank you, John.
So we would request Sunil Sinalam and Srikanth Kanuvavi to have a couple of to share a couple of thoughts about Utsav.
Hello guys. I don't think we'll not take even a minute wasting this colorful event. But however, I would like to congratulate the team who has put this together, our HR and then the support system, who is making sure that this event is successful. Now I think Utsav is in our blood of CSC. Every year it happens, and then the kind of participation we see from CSCNs is really great. So keep rocking. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your lovely speech. Please share a few words.
Yeah, have one, guys. I mean, that's about it. Yeah, just have some
We would like to hear some more words from you, please.
Yeah, I mean,
Guys, isn't enough. Please cheer them up at least. They'll get some words. Come on, sir. You can.
yeah, I think, I mean, this year looks like, I mean, the arrangements are better. Not because, I mean, you called us, so. So, have fun, and this is the best time of the year, so nice activities are going on, a lot of campus grads, so enjoy yourself and have a nice weekend. Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Thank you, sir.
Guys, huge round of applause for our chief guest here.
Put a huge round of applause, please. And moving on to the next performance of the day.
Yeah, we have Manash R. Dash who will be singing a song for us. Manash, are you ready? Manash.
Manas, we would like you to be on stage wherever you are. Manas, good evening. Please.
I can't hear you.
Manas, where are you? We have a singing performance. Okay, you're here. Who is that? Guys, हमें उल्लू बना रहे हो यार. कम से कम स्टेज के पास तो आ जाओ.
यार पहले ही लड़की नर्वस है और उसको और भी नर्वस कर रहे हो यार. Cheer up, come on. Give her a huge round of applause for my beautiful co-host.
Oh, thank you, Arjun.
That's the energy we want. Come on. So do you have Manas here, please? Yes.
Yep. Thank you, Manas.
Huge round of applause, guys, for Manas.
How are you all? Tell something. Okay. So the same question. How many Arijit Singh fan? Oh, so. Okay, then let's start. You can play it. Play it. खामोशियाँ आवाज है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, जो कर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगी, इनको बुलाओ कभी। बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ। Those who know this song can sing with me.
We have mics ready with us.
क्या उस गली में कभी तेरा जाना हुआ, जहाँ से जमाने को गुजरे जमाना हुआ। मेरा समय तो वहीं पे है ठहरा हुआ, बताऊं तुम्हें क्या मेरे साथ क्या क्या हुआ। खामोशियाँ एक साज है, तुम धुन को हिलाओ जरा। खामोशियाँ अल्फाज है, कभी आ गुनगुना ले जरा। बेकरार है बात करने को, कहने दो इनको जरा। खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ, खामोशियाँ लिपटी हुई खामोशियाँ। Hope you guys like it.
और जोर से तालियां भाई।
नदिया का पानी भी खामोश बहता यहाँ, खिल चांदनी में चिपीला लाख खामोशियाँ